Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do uh, tender cactus stew, and you can buy the cactus. It's already in a jar. It's already pickled in a jar. They cut into small pieces like this. Already pickled in a jar called Donna Maria. Nopolitos tender cactus in a jar like that. And you can buy from like usually they have from Mexican store or from any store. I think they have it. So we're gonna do a stew with this, and right here you take it out of the jar. Use today is one jar is about 30 ounces, and so use four jar of this pickled cactus. And what you do is just rinse it a little bit because it's pretty sour, so just put in a strainer and just wash the salt out a little bit. And okay, so Donna Maria Napolitos tender cactus. And to go along with the stew, we use a chicken drumstick. So just peel all the skin out. There's about 4 pounds of that, just a chicken leg. So peel the skin out to be healthy. About 4 pounds of that, and the other ingredients that we're gonna need is the oyster sauce, Panda brand, black soy sauce. You want to use a little bit. MSG is optional. You want to, you don't have to, and the granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. So we use some of that too. So let's start cooking. You need to marinate the chicken drumstick a little bit.
Just about a teaspoon of that.
Yeah, about a teaspoon of black soy sauce.
Just give it a color.
Yeah, color and sweetness.
And about
oyster sauce.
A little bit of each. About maybe that's about a tablespoon.
Yeah, about a tablespoon oyster sauce.
I use a little bit of
MSG, not too much. Just
optional.
Optional. You don't have to. Just.
Oh, one more thing, garlic salt.
Oh, yeah, garlic salt. We forgot to mention that. Garlic salt to go in.
Oh, but that cactus is already a little bit have salt in there, so.
The pickled cactus is already salty already. Don't put too much salt. It's just a little bit.
About garlic salt is not that much salt, so.
Yeah, so about a teaspoon of that.
A teaspoon, yep.
A teaspoon of that, and just
I put
granulated soup.
About 1 teaspoon too.
Soup base mix. Yeah, about
a teaspoon of that.
Yeah, about a teaspoon of that. So just for flavor.
I think I got it all, and just
all right,
mix it. I wear gloves, so
yeah,
get your hand dirty.
Yeah, just mix it up, and then we're gonna make a stew out of this with the pickled cactus. So this simple recipe to make the cactus, it's very healthy, but just remove the skin. If you don't want to remove the skin from the chicken leg, it's okay. Chicken drumstick there. But we try to be on a healthy side, so.
Well, you don't like to use the bone, you can take all the bone out.
Yeah,
too,
you can debone it out too. You don't want me just leave the whole chicken drumstick.
But you leave that as more flavor though.
Yeah. So just marinate it, and how long do you leave it outside?
Just a little bit, and then I go to do the. See, you're supposed to put sugar in here, but I'm gonna do sugar on the pot to make it more.
You caramelize the sugar?
Caramelize the sugar, yes.
Okay.
That's why I didn't put any in the meat.
Alright, yeah.
And then by the time the other one done,
let's do the caramelizing the sugar.
Sugar. So.
Got a pot here. Make sure that the heat is high, and bring the pot to a really hot, and then
it's just about 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna caramelize it.
So it's more brown.
Yeah. So. All right.
Just move it around so it melts.
You see the sugar start to dissolve. That's good.
Okay. That's just...
You see the smoke coming out now? It's sugar is already turned brown, caramelizing. It's burning. All right, now put the
pretty brown.
Yeah, pretty brown right there, that consistency, and now put the chicken drumstick in. Stir. Yeah, make sure you mix all the chicken drumstick with the.
Otherwise, burn on the bottom.
Yeah. Keep stirring it. You don't want it burned on the bottom. And now, okay.
It took about a few minutes to let the water come out of the chicken, so it takes a half hour.
Yeah, you want to cook it for a few minutes. Just let the chicken absorb all that. Let the chicken absorb all that caramelized sugar in a little bit, and
just put a little bit water and just clean all the seasoning is stuck on this.
Yeah, just put a little bit of water into so you clean. Yeah, just put a tiny of water in there so you clean all the cleaning from that bowl over there.
Put all in there.
Put the cactus in.
See the cactus, they have somehow see these
some
pepper and
some onions in there already.
So they have some without if you don't like spicy.
Yeah,
so spicy.
So the cactus already has some pepper in there, some onion in there. It's already a little bit spicy already. Not too spicy, but the cactus is very sour because it's a pickle. It's a pickled cactus basically in a jar. A little bit of sour, but it's a lot of sodium. That's why you wash it. You take it out from the jar and kind of rinse it out in the water, in the cold water a little bit, just to wash some of that salt out because it's a little bit salty. All right, it's a simple recipe basically, and it's very delicious. Give it a try.
And just let it cook.
Yeah, just let it cook.
Depend on people. Some people they don't like it too mushy. I like it more tender, mushy, so I cook a little longer. So.
Yeah. So that's it. You mix everything up right there and just let it cook until the chicken is done. All right.
Come back later.
Yeah, come back later. Let it simmer probably half an hour, and then check up on it. All right, after about 30 to 40 minutes of cooking, just make sure you cook the chicken. That's all you need to do. Just make sure you cook the chicken. We put it on like low heat. Just simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes, and this is it right here. The cactus stew is already done, so we're gonna just plate it up. All right, this is the final product. Cactus stew, tender cactus stew with chicken drumstick. and this is very delicious. You can serve this with rice. Yeah, normally you eat this with rice, so it's easy to make. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.